Alright, we're going to do some feet per second test here. This is with my old Daisy Model 95. Stock spring. Bunch of machine parts inside. Let's see what we can get out of her. This machine, I think, does meters per second. So whatever it says times 328 gives you a foot per second. So let's have a go at it and see what kind of numbers we'll get here. As Mr. Bruce would say, proof's in the pudding. So we'll just serve up a little pudding here, hopefully. See if we can hit that 450 a foot mark. $139.9. Y'all have to do the math. I think pretty much anything over 135 is 450 foot per second. There's 140.8. Reason it's taking so long, this is a muzzle loader. The BBs are tight, so I'm having to use my ramrod. 138.9 to seat them in the barrel. But I enjoy that. 139.7. I'm an old man, I got all day to do this, so I ain't no hurry to rapid fire anything. $39.8. Well, I'll do a couple more here and call it a day on this one. Whoa, that one weren't so pretty. 133.9. $138.0. Now if y'all want to do the math on them, what you do is just times whatever it says on the meter by 328, and that'll give you your foot per second. And hopefully this will serve up a little bit of pudding anyway. Next we're going to have to go and see how accurate it is. So see you next time.